What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Decker coming at you guys with a brand new video. The AC must be hella loud, my bad. We're doing another vlog, just a regular vlog going out with the squad. You know, just want to let you guys get a little bit more familiar with my friends and how I live outside of just installing parts. So we're doing a little vlog. What the fuck is that? I know y'all see that, right? Hold on, let me catch up to this shit. Holy shit. I'm gonna get one day, I'm telling you guys. I'm fucking mind blown. What the fuck is going on? I was literally starting the intro to the YouTube channel and a fucking R34 just pulled up. What the fuck? Oh shit, bro. I'm like mind blown. What the hell, dude? I like do track and shit. Both of them. Damn, that's hella clean. Oh my god, I was literally just starting the vlog. Literally, just starting the vlog. Hair messy, I got my hat right there though, but holy shit. Wow, I'm gonna DM him later. Super nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with some friends and just hang out and vibe out. Damn, that's how you start a fucking video right there. I'm hyped. That shit got me stupid hyped. That shit makes me want. See, that's like my dream car. If you guys didn't know, I have like a little model scale of an R34. Like, dude, I really want one so bad. And I know I'm gonna own one eventually. It's just, super clean, super clean.
What you want?
Dude, you missed it.
What happened?
I seen an R34 on the fucking freeway.
I would've gapped it.
No.
That will be.
Yeah. Why you? Why are you in the back seat?
Oh man!
Oh, she just washed it?
It is like
It's dry by the time.
It's dry there.
Different story though. What's up?
You look so funny.
Hey, I'm in a clown car, right?
Huh?
Am
What's
I rubbing?
up?
I bet I'm rubbing with him in the back.
Yo, chill. No.
Low
no.
key? Oh, she
Hey.
wanna drive, yeah.
Hey, you got more space than I do in the rear.
Wait, let me see.
I got to drive the FD.
Oh yeah.
It's a small fit. We got a big guy in a small fit.
Small fit.
You can't even sit up straight.
Big guy, small fit.
I can really sit. No, I can sit straight. Look what they're talking about.
There's plenty of legroom though.
Yeah, no cap.
That's because I'm fucking all the way to the steering wheel.
Alright, so we're going for a little cane cruise. It is hot though, guys. Make sure y'all drinking y'all water. Got motherfucking body armor. If you know, you know. But now we're heading to go cruise at the Canes. So we'll see you guys when we're up there, of course. Who's all going up? I don't think he's gonna make it.
Ah, got it.
Ah, damn it, boys. I think we got a problem here. something. I got all kinds of lights on. Yeah.
Dude! Did you pop the boost loop?
Yeah, overboost.
I put mine on my side.
It's in the back seat.
Shit couldn't get any worse.
You're automatic, bro. Recording?
Yeah, I got something. Oh, fuck, that's a hot seat. Kind of sad. I wasn't building any boost. Lights came on, I couldn't build any boost.
Alright, you're at the back of the pack now.
I get to be behind Nancy.
Hey. What's happening? I think I was going pretty fast.
Kind of sad. It's alright. We'll see how it goes. Play it out.
You gonna try and reflash?
Alright, codes are clear. I reflashed the car. Everything's gone. Hopefully when we keep going, nothing happens again. Alright, let's do it. I've again gone back into lit mode. Ah. God damn it, dude. Fuck. Just irritating. Oh man. Everything's on. It's nighttime. I don't remember the last thing I vlogged, but we came to Korean barbecue with a gang. We still all together. We still alive. You know the vibes. We're still out here in LA. Wes!
I have a problem.
Say hi to YouTube. Okay. That's not how you say hi. What
Oh,
happened?
my bad. Hello.
What's your problem?
Greetings.
What's your problem?
Where's my mom?
No, you said you had a problem.
Oh, I can't find my car keys.
What?
For the vlog.
For the vlog?
For the vlog.
Sheesh.
Hey.
Alright, who's trying to shotgun a White Claw? A warm White Claw.
Wait, I'm down.
No, she's not. Shotgun. No, no, no.
Oh,
no, no.
like-
Whoa, chill!
Yeah, see that? See that?
What
She's
are you
like, shotgun?
doing?
What's up, guys?
How you doing, Brandon?
Okay, so how we doing? Brandon just went west.
Alright.
You got a shotgun?
No, I don't want to embarrass myself again. The last time I tried that shit, it didn't go.
One time for the one time.
Yeah, shotgunning a White Claw? Hell no, that shit burns.
Yeah,
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Alright, is us three?
Did you just say it doesn't burn?
Wait.
Burns if you're a bitch.
Oh shit, maybe I'm a bitch.
What?
Wow.
Oh! Man, you gotta find a red.
Why'd you go? Oh.
Why is it still going?
You have to cover it, bro.
You know what a baby pees?
I hurt my toe.
Why'd you go? Oh.
That's what I do now.
What? It's gonna fuck.
It's gonna do it. Oh shit. She's swinging that thing around. See that?
Okay, I gotta do two. This one's not full. Who wants to do this? It's only half. Brennan,
I have a camera in my hand.
you have two spectators.
Have them do it. You do it.
You gotta hold the camera.
No, no, no. You're okay.
Alright. What are you doing? I thought you already. Did you start? Okay. Alright. Someone count now.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Does it? That's why you don't drink. That's why I don't let you drink.
Educate your boy.
Wow. What's up with it? What's up? Got the whole game? I don't know how to work this damn camera. Oh, got that.
Ooh, get the high quality. Get the high quality. Get the high quality.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm good though. Wait. I gotta copy what my buddy did. goof.
Nancy is not entertained.
Straight goof, bro. I'm chilling.
Pull it up, pull it up.
I'm always chilling.
Cheers. Record the cheers.
Another one. Damn, that's full. Ah. I gotta give a kiss to the audience. He's kind of famous.
Right now, your home's so much more than a house. It's worth
Yo, this one.
Brandon's gonna watch that later and be like, what the fuck? I wish I knew this song. What? You haven't seen the Gold Creek? I'm just gonna touch over my Momo. When we were drunk, I looked at him and I called him Yogi. He was like, Yogi.
What's up with it, vlog? What's up? What's up? What's up?
He deep-throated a shot earlier.
Oh. That's not what happened. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. What's up with it? This ain't gonna be Romel's part 2 though, I promise.
That's it.
Ah.
So you watched at me. That's the second. Alright, we got part 3.
What's up with it? What's up with, we got the vlogger, famous YouTube over here at Dagger Productions.tv. What's up? Oh, gang gang.
With it.
In the middle. Oh, you were in front of that. Wait, hold up.
Alright, what's up
What's
with
up
it?
with it?
Oh,
What's
shit.
up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it?
What's up with it?
What's up with it?
We on like number 4. This shit fell to the top.
Sorry, sir.
Wait, hold up. I'm DMing my friend.
She cute.
My friend told me don't drive. I said I ain't gonna end up like Robert. Cause he crashed drunk. Be like that.
Ready?
What's
For the vlog, what's up with it? Versace SI, you already know.
Oh, that's how you pronounce it?
No. It does sound good actually. You need a chaser?
No
Bro,
face.
come on.
Ain't no face, no case.
Chaser?
Wait, who just took a chaser?
Chaser.
Who just took a chaser?
Come on, my
I'm
boy.
thirsty, bro.
I'll give you that one.
I mean, looking at you, bro, I'm thirsty. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
I feel it. Alright.